Quora account profile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add location to your profile on Quora easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to the app Quora. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Now click again on your profile picture like this and it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find the add location option. Just click on it like this and choose your location easy and fast from here, and after you finish just click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.